Alright, so this is annoying. So I was trying to fix the amp, or find where it is in this 2000 Tiburon. I still don't know where it is. If anyone knows, please help tell me. But I got that light fixed, which doesn't seem that big of a deal. And the door open sensor light, whatever. One of the previous owners, for some reason, decided to unplug the sensor in the door. This guy, which tells if the door is open or not. See? Doesn't seem like that big of a deal. You just don't get the light. But you also don't get this chime when the door is open. Doesn't seem like that big of a deal. But I locked myself out of this car twice. It would have helped for me to know that the key was still in the ignition when I got out of the car. But I didn't, because the car still thought I was inside. Because the door was closed. Well, the door sensor was unplugged, so it thought the doors were closed. Why must you be so annoying, previous owners? I also get this now when I accidentally forget the lights on. I have never heard that before. I almost left the car with the lights on. Also because of that. There was no noise with the switch on. Also because the car thought the door was closed and I was still inside. How annoying it is to lock yourself out of a car twice in 1 week. And to almost leave your lights on and go inside multiple times in 1 week. I am very angry at you, previous owners. What reason would you have to unplug that light? I mean, the switch right here. What reason is there? Like, really? Like, what reason would you poke out this hole that used to hold coins? I have so many things I'd like to yell at the previous owners for. But anyway, that's just how it is. Now I've just got this door to do. And because this door also doesn't have it, if I open it, light doesn't turn on. See? No light. And it's still open. If I press this, it turns off the light. So we need to get that done as well. Alright. On to continue fixing the car. Hey, that's a few things I didn't know were wrong fixed, which is awesome. Whoa. Oh, I also got this guy to figure out. I don't know, I kind of like it like this, just so nothing falls inside. Oh, and they left this loose. So many things. And the clutch pedal. I don't know if they installed the right clutch or not, but the pedal grips at the very, very, very edge. So this is like the clutch travel. So, very edge. This is all the way pressed in. This is all the way let out. It will grip right here. And that's out. Actually, it will grip right there. And then you let go, and then it's completely out. I don't know why it does that. It's not slipping at all. It's in good health, in my opinion, but for some reason it catches like right there. And then you leave, and then that's it. So I'll figure that out another day. They also destroyed second gear synchro. Kinda mad at them for that too. Oh, and I almost forgot. One other thing they messed up is behind this seatbelt. They had the seatbelt twisted. And every time I got out of the car, the seatbelt would be like this. And it wouldn't retract. Because the seatbelt was twisted on the inside of the car right there. I untwisted it, and now, whee! No, it wasn't going in slow because it was a 25-year-old car. It was going in slow because it was twisted on the inside. Thanks, previous owner. Alright, so here's the other one. Let me just pop this open. Like so. This is very difficult with one hand only. There. Got it past that lip. Right there. So now I pull it out. And where is it? Somewhere down there. Oh wow, this one's also twisted. Here, let me see if I can get it better. Whoa. If you look at the seatbelt, it's twisted on the inside as well. Why would they do that? Why? Alright, so this is how I untwist it. So, you twist it to where it's correct, where it's like flat with this. And the beginning of the twisted part is on this edge. That's based on the way it's twisted, by the way. And you pull on there. And if you look down here, you can see where I've twisted it. And it's rolled over itself. It's going to be a bit hard to pull this through. It's going to be a bit easier for me because this car is 25 years old. And with all the pulling, this plastic has probably expanded a tiny bit or worn away. But yeah. As you can see, keep on pulling, and I'm gonna end this so I can use both hands. Alright, I got it. This one also does that. Just springs straight back. I bet that third one, and that one's also twisted in the back, but can't do that right now. I've got stuff to do later. So now all I've got is this plug over here somewhere. I'll do that without the camera because I have to pull this and use the other hand to plug it in. So, alright, it looks like they shoved it in behind this, and I can't pull it out because it's gonna get wedged. So I'm gonna unscrew this guy. Alright, I got rid of the annoying noise for you guys. If that was annoying any of you. But yeah, this is what I mean by the plug was wedged in there. They put it behind here so I couldn't pull it out because this right here is in the way, preventing it from coming out. So now I can go from the other side, pull it out, and then plug it in. Hooray, I got it. As you can see, the red lights now on. And, well, I guess I can't turn on the flash now because my battery's dead. So I'll just use this definitely not oversized flashlight. Ta-da! Let's see. Yeah, like that. So I can zoom out and there you go. As you can see in this very, very out of focus video, it is now plugged in. And now I just push this guy back in. And then go over here. And push. Ooh, plane.